Okay, I don't know what the problem was last time. My computer must be getting less efficient at, doing certain things. But essentially, I got the new symbol there for 12 and 13. And I have a short video here to show you why they look the way they do based off of this diagram. You have 12 here, and this thing here, it's basically based off of the square root radius of 12. Actually, you know what I should do? Actually, I should complete this. And what I mean by that is I should bring this over here a little bit. And make this the full length of the square root of 12. So basically, make this a little bit higher. And what does that look like? That's a bit of an interesting picture there. Never mind that though. It kind of looks like an anchor. It's kind of got like a cross shape there, but it's kind of like an anchor. There is no escaping that cross shape, I don't think, when it comes to the symbol for 12. But basically, that's based off of the square root of 12. I think that's like close to a fourth of it. I'm not really sure, something like that. And I don't know, it's a little over that. But basically, what you got going on here is you got 1, 2, 3, right? We know 3 times 4 is 12. But if that's a fourth, that's basically, that would be a length of 3, kind of. So that's 1, 2, 3, and that's sort of like a negative 3 there. So altogether, this is a length of 6. Okay, and then on the other side, you got this right here, which is a length of 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. But also, look how many blocks there are from here to here. Right, if you line this thing up, it's a little over 12, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dec, el, do, or 10, 11, 12. There's a bit of a 12ness there to it. And see how that's kind of why that symbol there, I've made it to look the way that it does. I could make that symbol a little bit more accurate there by adding a little bit of a line to the bottom and, correcting the shape. And next is the symbol for 13 that I've created. So we've already gotten up to base 14. 12 is better, but the reason why, I keep making symbols is because if you go up high enough, you might can even come to places that are even better than 12. But basically, I got a line right here that is a length of 6.6. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and about 6 there. So there's that. That's half of 13. And then I have this right here, which is the same exact length. So that's half of 13. So if you add both of those together, that would be a length of 13. And then I also have this right here, which is damn near the square root of 13. If I take this right here and I put it at the square root of 13, and I bring it here, it is pretty much the exact length of the square root of 13. And so I got half of 13 and another half of 13, and both of them are combined to a they're both connected with lines that are the length of the square root of 13. And then I have this right here, which is a length of 1. And this over here is sort of like a length of 1. You know how in base 12, basically it's there's one type of a 1 length, and then there's a 1 length here, because that's the 2 times the square root of 1, and then there's a length of 1 here. You know how you represent 13 in base 12 is basically 1 followed by 1, or 1.1, and here this looks like kind of like a 1, and this also looks kind of like a 1. So that's the reason why I've decided to make 13 look the way that it does.